Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Flash English Academy, the place where we help you improve your English skills and keep you motivated on your language learning journey. And today we're going to talk about a very important topic, how to stay motivated while learning English. Learning a new language, especially English, can be a challenging yet incredibly rewarding experience. However, staying motivated throughout the journey can be tough. Here are some strategies to help you stay on track and keep your motivation levels high. The first step to staying motivated is setting clear and achievable goals. Instead of saying, "I want to be fluent in English," break it down into smaller, more manageable goals. For example, aim to learn 10 new vocabulary words each week, practice speaking for 15 minutes a day, or complete a specific English course within 3 months. Having specific goals gives you something concrete to work towards and allows you to measure your progress along the way. It's like climbing a mountain. Focus on reaching the next milestone rather than the distant summit. Creating a consistent study routine is essential. Choose a specific time each day dedicated to learning English and stick to it. It doesn't have to be a long session. Even 20 to 30 minutes a day can make a big difference over time. Try to incorporate different activities into your routine to keep it interesting. Mix up your reading, writing, listening, and speaking exercises. This variety not only makes studying more enjoyable, but also helps you develop a well-rounded skill set. For instance, you could listen to an English podcast in the morning, read an article during lunch, and practice speaking with a friend in the evening. Learning should be fun. Use resources that you enjoy and that suit your learning style. If you love watching movies or TV shows, try watching them in English with subtitles. If you're a music fan, listen to English songs and look up the lyrics. There are countless apps, websites, and books designed to make learning English enjoyable. Find what works best for you and use it to your advantage. Imagine combining your hobby with learning. If you enjoy cooking, follow recipes in English. If you're into sports, watch games with English commentary. The key is to integrate English into your daily life in a way that feels natural and enjoyable. Learning a language can sometimes feel like a solitary endeavor, but it doesn't have to be. Join an English learning community, whether it's an online forum, a local study group, or a language exchange program. Interacting with others who are also learning English can provide you with support, encouragement, and additional practice. Plus, you can share tips and resources that have helped you. Being part of a community creates a sense of belonging and accountability. It's motivating to see others facing the same challenges and celebrating their progress. You might even make some new friends along the way. Keeping track of your progress is a great way to stay motivated. Maintain a journal where you record what you've learned each day or week. Review it regularly to see how far you've come. You can also use language learning apps that track your progress and milestones. Seeing tangible evidence of your improvement can boost your confidence and motivation. Consider setting up a visual progress tracker, like a chart or calendar, where you can mark off each day you study. Watching those marks add up can be incredibly satisfying and motivating. Don't forget to reward yourself for your hard work. After achieving a goal or completing a challenging lesson, treat yourself to something you enjoy. It could be a piece of chocolate, a relaxing break, or watching an episode of your favorite show. Rewards can serve as a positive reinforcement, making the learning process more enjoyable and motivating you to keep going. Think of it as giving yourself little incentives to push through difficult tasks. Language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. It's important to stay positive and be patient with yourself. There will be times when you feel frustrated or like you're not making any progress, but that's completely normal. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and don't be too hard on yourself when things don't go as planned. Remember, every bit of practice counts and brings you one step closer to your goal. Keep reminding yourself why you started learning English in the first place and stay focused on that motivation. Try to immerse yourself in English as much as possible. Surround yourself with the language by listening to English podcasts, reading books, watching videos, and speaking with native speakers. The more exposure you have, the more natural and intuitive the language will become. Consider labeling items in your home with their English names or setting your devices to English. These small changes can make a big difference in your language immersion. Having a study buddy can make a big difference. Find a friend or classmate who is also learning English and practice together. You can motivate each other, share resources, and provide feedback. Practicing with someone else adds an element of accountability, making you more likely to stick with your study routine. Study buddies can also make learning more enjoyable. You can play language games, quiz each other, or have conversations about your progress and challenges. Lastly, regularly remind yourself why you are learning English. Whether it's for career advancement, travel, personal satisfaction, or communication with friends and family, keeping your reasons in mind can reignite your motivation when you need it most. Take a moment to visualize the benefits you'll gain from mastering English. Imagine yourself confidently speaking in meetings, traveling with ease, or connecting with people from different cultures. These positive images can keep you driven. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope these tips help you stay motivated and excited about learning English. Remember, the journey might be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Keep pushing forward, stay consistent, and most importantly, have fun with it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Flash English Academy for more helpful content. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your own tips for staying motivated. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning and stay motivated. Bye for now.